In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your invoices is a great way to maintain a professional look and reflect your brand's identity. Whether you want to adjust the layout, add your logo, or tweak the color scheme, QuickBooks Online makes it simple to create invoices that suit your business needs. And if you're not already using QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive right in. First, open your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear-shaped icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to access a variety of customization options for your QuickBooks account. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Custom Form Styles. This is where you'll find all the templates for forms like invoices, estimates, and more. A list of your current template styles will be displayed, so take a moment to locate the invoice template you'd like to update. If you have multiple templates, simply find the one that matches the design you want to modify. When you've identified the correct template, look for the Edit button next to it and give it a click. This will open the template editor, where you can make all the necessary changes to suit your preferences. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust the layout, switch up the color scheme, or even add your company's logo to give the invoices a more personalized touch. You can also modify text fields to better reflect the specific details you want to include on your invoices. As you make these changes, take advantage of the preview feature. This allows you to see your edits in real time, so you can ensure everything looks just right before finalizing. It's a helpful way to catch any design issues or errors before saving. Once you're happy with the design, it's a good idea to double-check the details. Verify that all the critical information is accurate, such as your payment terms, company address, and contact information. These details are important for both your branding and ensuring your clients have all the information they need. When everything looks perfect, click the Save button to finalize your changes. Your updated invoice template is now ready to use. From this point forward, QuickBooks Online will automatically apply the updated design to all new invoices you create, saving you time and ensuring consistency. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.